What are your thoughts on the Governator?
What about the governor?
The Governator.
What about him? The governor.
Don't spill that shit. Don't spill it.
Yay!
Now you did all that because the Xbox was on?
No. The drawer fell off the track. The drawer that is now on the bottom, which was in the middle, fell down.
Yeah.
And got stuck. So then I in turn had to move all the shit that was around it out of the way to get the bottom drawer out.
That sucks.